Have a good day everyone. Today we will see array in copy command. Okay, let's see. Copy, CO, enter, base point, click here. Okay, now go CO, enter, copy, select object, enter, base point, click here, go array, click items of array, 10 items, enter, go fit, click. Okay, now we can fit, click here, delete this line, delete this line. Okay, now let's see, go measure 94.44 distance, equal distance 94.44 equal distance. Okay, let's see next method. CO, enter, select object, base point, click center, type A for array, enter, number of items array 12 items, enter, distance we can enter distance 100 millimeter, enter. Okay, enter. Okay, let's see distance di, enter, click center to center 100, click 100, repeat distance 100. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.